All right, we back live. I'm trying to put together a good little hunt. Still got the same rabbit going. Just went into about a 3-minute check. Slam boy pulled him out. It sounds like they might be coming back with him. We might get lucky and get to see a good crossing here. He didn't come across. He's squatting right here somewhere pretty close. I will let y'all know these dogs are fueled by joy. I'm feeding a 24-20 high energy right now. I have really seen a difference with these dogs. That slam boy just picked that check up. The rabbit must have crossed the road. I didn't even see him. That's how slick these rabbits are. They'll go across here and you won't even see them. They go in stealth mode. Get him, slam boy. There's Trixie right there, my little blue Jip. Little Branco blue Jip. Missile, he's my Branco male. I don't know if y'all know Slam Boy or not. He's a Rowdy bred dog. Rowdy's kennels over there, Pat Shepherd. Everybody knows Pat. He's got the best dogs in this part of the country. He's a legend. There we go. Hard to beat old Slim on a check now. He's super good. Stay with him, Slim. Stay with him, son. Go ahead, go ahead. Just a light little drizzle we got going out here. We got rabbit season coming in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, y'all. We getting close. It's time to get these dogs rocking and rolling. Don't wait. You get a chance, you gotta get them in the woods. Dogs can't learn nothing sitting at the house. I don't care what kind of dog you got, how he's bred. You don't hunt him, like an old truck, you park it and put it under a tree. 4 or 5 years, water in the gas tank, won't crank. Rats get in there and chew the wires up. These dogs the same way. They get rough now. Get rusty. You gotta tune them up. If you don't run your dogs, shame on you. You got to run these things now. You know, every now and then something might come up where you can't, working, family, you know, things happen. Come on, where's my dog hunters at? Where's my hardcore true dog hunters? Back in the old day, me and old TJ and Dwayne and Blinky, I'm gonna tell you right now, we run 4 or 5 days a week, every week. And I can promise you one thing, I didn't have rabbit dogs back then, we had deer dogs, and I can tell you right now, when the tailgate dropped, you know the old saying, yeah, the bull crap stopped. We straight up put the pressure on something, and I'm gonna try to get these rabbit dogs where they the same way. I ain't got no walkie-talkies now. My dogs, they gonna be pretty swift on the feet, and they gonna make some mistakes this time of year. But each his own. I want to listen to a dog bark in the same place all night long. I just sit there at the house and tie a cat or something up in front of the pen. I want to see something move. There's Trixie. Hey girl, that's Missile right here. He's gonna be a 15-inch dog for sure. Trixie, she's out of Branko's Matrix. Blue Poppy. Blue Sunday, I'm sorry. Just got another puppy that was out of Blue Poppy. Missile, he's out of Lady. And their Missile dog. His registered name is Ladies Man Missile. I think that's pretty cool. Her dad's name was Matrix, so I called her Trix. You know, get that same Trixie in there, like Matrix. I know y'all pretty clever. Y'all don't hate on me. Gonna take a commercial break. See you back here shortly.